Welcome to St. Thomas English Medium Higher Secondary School, Surat, in virtual classes. Standard First, Moral Science, VD, St. Thomas School, Surat.
Hello students. This is our Moral Science VD textbook for Standard First. Now you will think, what is moral science subject? Moral science teaches you the moral value. It teaches you certain ways and behaviors that you have got to follow in order to mingle and get along in society in order to keep up your relation. Now you will think, why it is important? The study of moral science ensure that individuals from a tender age, when their behavior is shapeable and behave can be streamlined, are empowered through values and ideals that are appropriate and that makes them worthy member of society. And secondly, it helps individual to discern good from bad. I will teach you some of the most important moral value for students which make you a well balanced individual. For example, love, respect, obedience, politeness, goodness, courage, sharing, cleanliness, empathy, manners, kindness, gratefulness. Students, now you will think, what is VD means and what is VD? VD means the process or the method or the programs that teachers use in order to create learning experience for the students when it comes to value question. And we will learning these moral values chapter wise in coming VD sessions. Students, welcome to our first VD chapter. Value is love. In this chapter, we will read about love. And chapter name is My Loving Parents. Let's start. Tick, correct, write the things that you do at home. Help mother in the kitchen. Yes, we do. Help father in washing his car or bike or scooter. Yes, we do. Give a thank you hug when your parents bring things for you. Yes, I'm sure every student is doing this. Whenever mother or father bring gift for you or cake or chocolate for you and give you a surprise, what will you do first thing? You give them a tight hug. Yes. And next one is give mother and father a glass of water when they ask for it. Yes, students, we have to give a glass of water to everyone whenever someone is come to your home. If it is your known to or relative or your parents or your grandparents, let's make them sit and give them a glass of water. And next one is help your brother and sister in their work. As an elder, you should help your younger brother or sister in their study or in their other work. Okay? It is a picture of a small family. Mummy, Papa and a boy is there. Father, mother and a child. Let's read. Mother and father are chosen by God to look after us. We are in this world because of our parents. They are God's gifts to us. They do their best to make us happy. Yes, students, mother and father are chosen by God. God gifted us. Means father and mother are God's gift to us. They give us our parents because they do their best to make us happy. Students, this is a picture of which room? Yes, it's a picture of kitchen. Yes, because gas stove is there on the stove, pressure cooker is there, and mama is cooking something very delicious, right? And utensils are there and mixer grinder. Mama cooks delicious food for us. What mama cooks? Sometimes mamas make what? Pav bhaji, pizza, pani puri, chole bhature, aloo puri, and lots of delicious things for us and for our family. So let's read more about mother. My mother's name is, so you have to write down your mama's name, your mother's name here. She works very hard. She cooks delicious food for the family. She also keeps the house. Our next topic is my father's name is. Students, you have to write down your papa's name here, your father's, your daddy's name here, okay? He is very strong. He works hard and earn money for the family. On Sundays, we have meal together. Why on Sundays? Because Papa is must be he must be busy somewhere, so he could not join us for meals sometimes, especially in afternoon at the time of lunch, right? So our father is earning very hard for the family. On Sundays, we have meal together because Sunday is a holiday for everyone. Everyone is at home. Uh, all students are at home. All children are at home and their father, or if someone's mother is working. So everyone together on Sundays. They sit together or sometimes maybe they go out for movie or for walk or for ride or sometimes on Dumas Beach or sometime temple. Sometimes they visit malls also and for shopping also. Yes. I help my father to water the plants and wash his car. I also help mother in dusting the house. Sometimes mama said, beta take this cloth and clean your room. है ना? Or sometimes mama said, beta please pack your toys, wind up all your toys, right? So we have to help our mother also. In the evening, we go out for a ride. At night, mummy reads out story for me. Or sometimes you said, Mama, please tell me some few stories or tell me that elephant or mouse or rabbit or princess wali story. So mama reads stories for you. My parents help and guide me They teach me good values. I love my parents because they are very special. Moral of the story or moral of this chapter is your parents always want the best for you. Love and respect them. After listening this audio video, you have to go to your parents and give them a tight hug. And what will you say? Give them a hug and say thank you for everything, mama, or thank you for everything, papa. I love you, mama. Right? They will be happy. Chalo, let's start the exercise. Students, you have to do these exercise in your test book only. Okay? You don't need to make notebook. No notebook work. Only you have to do in test book. Let's come to A exercise. Let's understand. A. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. First word is, let's read with me, M-O-N-E-Y, money. Food, F-O-O-D, food. Parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Gifts, G-I-F-T-S, gifts. Let's start the exercise. First one is, parents are God's dash to us. Gift. Yes. G-I-F-T-S, gifts. Second number, mother cooks delicious what? Delicious food for the family. F-O-O-D, food. Third point, father works hard and earns dash for the family. Money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. Fourth one is, our dash teaches good values. Who teaches good values? Parents and then teacher. So our parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Our parents teach us good value. B exercise. Write T for true and F for false statement. Here you have to write down only T and F. Okay. First one is, our parents do their best to make us sad. No, they are doing their best to make us happy. So this statement is false. You have to write down F. What you have to write? You have to write down false. False. Second one is, mother keeps the house clean. Yes, it is true. Second number is true. Now come to third. We should not help our parents. No, wrong. This statement is false. So what will you write in third? False. Now come to fourth one. Our parents help and guide us. Yes, very much true. This is true. Now come to next exercise. On next page, it's on page number 7. Okay. Here are some things that your parents do for you. Draw lines to match the pictures. Students, in our test book, few statements are right. Few statements are given here, so we have to match those statements with the respective pictures. First one is help you in completing your homework. Usually who is helping us to complete our homework? Mother. So you have to draw a line with statement number 1 to this picture like this. Okay. Now come to second point. Iron your clothes. So who is ironing here clothes? Mother. Mother is ironing our clothes. So you draw a line with number 2 to this picture like this. Okay. Third one is buy toys for you in here. First number picture match the statement. Papa buys toy for the kid, right? So you will draw a line like this. Fourth, arrange a party on your birthday. Who arranged the party? Parents. Mama and Papa is usually arrange a party for their children. Yes. Number fifth, look after you when you are sick. When you are sick, so what will parents do? They call the doctor, they bring you to the doctor, है ना? So we'll draw a line number 5 to this picture. Now come to next exercise. Let's have fun. Color the flower pot. Students, few lines are written here like on first leaf, wipe the dishes, lay the table, put the clothes, show a smiling face, welcome dad at door, I love mom and dad. So these are few moral values which are written here and you have to color the flower pot like this. You can choose any color of your choice. Students, you have to do all these exercise in your test book only. No need to do exercise or do work in VD notebook, right? I hope you enjoy the chapter and you like the exercise. Thank you. Take care. Bye.